Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to reset network settings on Android. So it has been go through the phone settings. So you will just scroll down and there is the option additional settings, and you will just more scroll down and there is the option of backup and reset, and you will see there is the backup my data. So in my backup data it will also erase the all network settings. So you will just click to OK and it will be erase the all network settings and reset easily in just one click. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.